I made a video going to Costco for the first time when I had just arrived. Now it has been 2 years, so I thought it would only be fair to also share this haul with you guys. I saw like a lot of videos of people just going there to try the samples, so today's side quest was sort of trying all the samples, and we had some really cool samples to try. We also decided to eat before shopping, and since this was during my vacation, I decided to indulge in the pizza that only has cheese on it, and also decided to buy things that I wouldn't normally, because I was trying to replicate the same vibe as my first video, and being on vacation makes it so that you can spend a little bit extra on stuff, so you can buy fun stuff. I ended up spending a lot. By the end, let me know what your calculation is for everything I spent, but this normally lasts for a long time, so I'm not that worried. Going to Costco is like you have to question yourself, do you really need this? Or it just seems like a good deal here. And then my other strategy is looking at Woolies next to me to see if it's worth carrying from here to my home. Let's get to the haul. Now, this trip was 1 month back, so the stuff for that haul has been sitting out here for the past month, and I've already used quite a few things from it. Things might be open, but let me talk through the reasoning for me buying stuff. I got these ribbons. I was so confused about this one.
I like this too. I like them all. I'm gonna buy them all.
But then I was like, you know what? Red velvet is classic, and you can always not go wrong with this. And I got this that sort of matches the same vibe. I'm not sure what my vibe is going to be, so more confused. First category is drinks. This was more of a want. I normally get this in uni whenever there's an event and they are trying to provide for you. This drink is always there, and I like the tropical punch. So I was like, you know what? Let's get this. So it comes in a pack of 4, and each pack has 6. So there's like 24 in this, and we are already out of 6. In the past month, I've consumed 6. No, I've consumed 5. My roommate has consumed 1. It's a very fair distribution, I would say. And the next. This is the main thing I went to Costco for, and then ended up with like a shit ton of other things. It's just coconut water. This is very heavy. This has 12 packs, so 1 liter each. Normally I get it from Woolies. Sometimes they have 50% off, sometimes they have 30%, 20% off. In Costco I got the whole thing for 50% off. Let's see how many I have already finished. I just put 2 in the fridge today, so we haven't opened those. So we'll count that with things here. We are already out of 3. Look at this. Today's 2 will go in the middle section, so 1 from each section, 12. This is heavy. Let me put this down. And the third thing for drinks is this. I drink a lot of electrolyte. Like, I want to drink something that's, you can keep sipping on it and it's still kind of healthy. That is why I have the coconut water. But then again, it's packaged, it's preserved, so it's not that healthy. But still better than Red Bull that I would drink. So I got this. I used to have this brand. Then we tried the Woost brand from Costco. I really loved it. This is a tiny bit, like a few cents more expensive. So I was like, you know what? Let's buy this, because this is a more well-known brand. I got 2 packets of orange flavor and 2 packets of original berry flavor. This one, like towards the end, it tastes so bitter. It's absolutely bitter. This one's fine towards the end. If there's like a bit of powder left, it will be bitter, but not as much as this. If I remembered, I would have gone to return 1 pack. I never return something, even if I don't like it. I just like try to consume it, finish it. But then I remembered my friends, they opened something and it was bad and they went to return it. If I had opened something and it was bad, I would just be upset about it but not go to return it. So this time I was like, you know what? I'll return the 1 packet that I haven't opened, right? If I don't like it, I can just get the orange one. I still haven't gone. Companies make money from people like me who don't return stuff. It's very awkward. Like last week, I went to grab 2 iced chai from our uni cafe for my friend and I. And then I come back, she takes a sip and she's like, oh, this is coffee. I take a sip, it's coffee. I went back and I felt so bad about it. I was like, this is iced coffee? not iced chai. He was like, oh, sorry, and he gave it to me. He made the correct drinks, but in my mind, it's like, no, these two iced coffee cuppy thingies would go to waste, and I do not like that. So normally, if I had bought it just for myself and it would have gone wrong, I would have just like had it. For example, I ordered a falafel bowl from the same place, and they ended up giving me meat falafel. I did not go back. Next is normal household stuff. We only have one thing in veggies. It's onions. It's open because I used one. Then we have this 4-liter bottle of canola oil. Then this 3-pack ketchup. We go through a lot of ketchup in this household. Ketchup is our bread and butter. And then we have this. I love jalapenos. If you guys remember, like the first Costco video I did, I bought one then. I literally threw out the empty jar from my fridge. It had like 2 or 3 pieces left in it. So it lasted me 2 years. Let's see how long this lasts. We finally have this as well. We have 2 more food thingies, a lot of tortillas. It's 3 packs. And then we have Old Bay seasoning. My roommate wanted to try this. It's mostly like, I have seen people talk about it. I've never tried it, and it's mostly said to be used for non-veg. I don't eat non-veg. So we have this. Then for snacks, I got these crackers. They come in a pack of 6 and there are 3 flavors: sesame, pepper, and I think original. Why is there 3 pepper? There shouldn't be 3 pepper. Normally it's like 2 pepper, 2 sesame, 2 original. What's happening? I don't know. I removed the bigger box and just got this because, you know, there was no space in my trolley. There were also these Nutella wafer chocolates that we have finished. And there were a few Fritz stuff. You can see it here. Some of them already out of it. Babybel already out of it. There's this other thing that I got. Hold on, let me get it. This is the last Babybel left, and we got this. This is basically strawberry cheese, and this is the last one left. I kept it so that I can show you. It tastes exactly like the blueberry yogurt or berry yogurt we get from Woolies. So you basically open it like this, and that's the cheese. It's delicious. That is why there's only one left. And this is something that I was the one who ate the most of. And this is what we could have just bought it from Woolies for half price. This was like half price. But my roommate was like, you know, I like big bottles. Easier to use when you put it on the floor. Okay, here you go, I guess. Then we got 2 packs of 3-pack toothpaste. And this is not the right one. Like the one we have has 3% peroxide. This one only has 1%. So I still have 1 packet packed. So I was like, when I go to return the energy tablets, I'll return 1 pack of this as well. That hasn't happened. How long can you return stuff for? And one more useful thing, umbrella. I just broke my umbrella like a day before. No, actually on the same day. So we were like, you know what, let's get this. It's actually pretty heavy duty. Let me open this for you. It's pretty heavy duty, I think so. Look at this. Nice, right? Press the button and it closes, which is pretty great if you have been out in the windy weather that like happens every day. It's pretty great. Next we got a pack of 6 socks, and I got 3 coats. One's my jacket that I wear all the time. I absolutely love it. I didn't even realize that it was like a raincoat type material on the outside. I just wanted a thin jacket that I could wear whenever I go out when it's, you know, not too cold. Like you want a jacket, but you want to be able to take it off and carry it. Like the only thing I have is the pink puffer jacket that I got from Costco last time. But it's super warm, like super warm. So I walk normally, you get really hot in it, and carrying it is a task in itself. I absolutely love this jacket. It looks so nice on me. And the next thing is this blazer. I got this for $70. I've never had a blazer. I don't have like a lot of formal clothes. I have 0 formal clothes here. I've never had a need to wear formal clothes. So I was like, you know what? It's a good thing to have like an option. At least I can put it on and it looks like something. You can just wear a plain t-shirt. And if you have like a blazer jacket thingy on, it still looks pretty professional, I would say. So I got this. Then I got this cardigan. They had like black and white. I thought black would go nicely with a lot of things. When I put this on in the store, it was super warm. Even when you touch it, it feels really warm. It's like very tight knit. Oh, I totally forgot. I got 4 things. It's this pajama set. This is cozy lounge set. They had it in different colors as well. But I got this gray version. It's pretty thin if you look at it, but it felt really cozy. And my roommate was being an enabler. Please, oh, take it. It will look nice on you. But I don't think so. I don't wear cord sets. I wear 3XL t-shirts with shorts or pants, whatever. I don't care. I just sort of look homeless at home. 3XL t-shirts, really comfortable. Or free uni merch, really comfortable. The plain t-shirts, all my volunteering merch. It's like really comfortable. That's my whole attire. I have zero fashion sense. Okay, so there were two things that were wants and I tried to like put them back a lot of times and did not. One was this set of 3 bowls. It wasn't that cheap. Like normally you go to Costco to buy cheap stuff. But I was like, you know what? All we have are like plain dishes. Maybe we can have like some a bit fancier, some sort of different vibe. I considered putting it back each time. I was like, you know, when I move, I can buy it then. Like in a few months, I have to move. But then I was like, you know what? Why not? I'm on vacation. It does not make any sense. I was just trying to rationalize my purchase, okay? Ow. Here you go. It's basically 3 of the same thing. Look at this. It's quite pretty. This is not my normal style and that is why I wanted to get this. My style is pretty boring. I would say I just like everything plain, solid colored. It's very peaceful. You don't have to match things to each other. It just can be. I think I would be the bland beige person, except I don't mind any solid color. This looks pretty. Let's get it. So the final thing, I'm so tired. I'm basically leaning. I was sitting on the chair, but to show this, I didn't want to like pull everything up on the table and stuff. And I dropped my camera twice. I'm so scared. Oh, I already gave you a sneak peek. I got this. This is so cute. They had like 4-5 animal versions. But this is so cute. It's like the perfect size to cuddle. You know, I've never bought stuffed toys for myself. Even when I saw this, I was like, should I get one of these? It could be, you know, Secret Santa gift because I had already gone into the Christmas vibe, Christmas mood. And normally you have a budget of $20 or $25. So this was $20. So I was like, you know what? This would make a cute Secret Santa gift. And my roommate was like, only buy it if you want it because you keep buying stuff for other people. I think I sort of feel guilty when I buy stuff for myself, so I buy stuff for other people that I like and also I know they would like. So it's like killing 2 birds with a stone. I get to buy it and like I get to make someone happy. And all the stuffed toys that I own, I either won in games or people gave it to me. I've never bought one for myself and I went for like a big one. It's so cute. I love it. So that's basically it for my Costco haul. What do you guys normally buy? I don't think like it's worth it for me because each time I've gone, it's funny. The first time I went, the additional $65 was the membership fees and then we didn't go the whole year. Fine. This time again, we had to pay the membership fee. I feel like we always go after the membership expires and we only use it once. So what's the point? And anyway, the Docklands Costco is about to close down and it's going to open somewhere else, which is going to be pretty far from the city. I anyway will not get to go to Costco. I think I shouldn't. Like you end up buying a lot of stuff, like all the 4 pieces of clothing. I wouldn't have bought it, right, if I didn't go there. Or the bowls or this, like a lot of stuff that are wants, not necessarily needs. But then I also got my needs. So I guess you decide. Anyway, that's basically it. Bye bye from me and my new stuffy. Bye. Hi. Bye bye bye.